Presentation and speech work.
Lesson 7.
Speak right.
Listening and speaking. Tribalism. Today we shall listen to a short passage on tribalism. Afterwards we shall use a few questions to test our comprehension of the passage. Tribalism. Tribalism is used in negative ways to mean strong loyalty to one's tribe or social group. Tribalism plays out when one has negative feelings for people outside the group. The spirit of tribalism has led people to sometimes do things they shouldn't have. They tend to favor only those that have a special relationship with them. It's clear that tribalism, like favoritism, often produces negative results. For instance, people in authority who are tribalistic prefer to use persons who are not qualified for a job, instead of those who are adequately qualified. Tribalism goes against the rules of equity and natural justice. While equity teaches that everyone is given equal chances, tribalism says you should give your friends and family preference over other people. If you notice you have strong negative feelings for people outside of your circle, you need to work on it. If you allow such feelings to grow, you may end up hating people just because you do not belong to the same tribe. Questions. 1. What's tribalism? 2. How would you know if you're being overtaken by tribalism? Now let us look at 5 words in the passage with a f in the sounds. Favoritism, tribalism, friends, birth, preference, tribe, if, because. Can you find any more words?
I'm your speech coach, Chris Okwatcher. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.